talking now about the beef soup base. So the product is like all the other LUDA product. It's a gluten-free item, sodium reduced, and also there's no added MSG. If you want to know more about the difference between natural and artificial MSG, just let us know. We can give you more info. Talking about now the powder itself. It's a nice balanced flavor of onion, caramel, and beef. And it's a nice product to use as a seasoning. So you can use it easily as a rub on any roast beef or as a seasoning into your dip, mayo, or directly on your vegetable or potatoes. We do have samples available, so feel free to reach out to our team if you want to give a try. I will now show you how instant the product is easy to use. So you got your powder, adding some water. As you can see, you will get just a real nice instant beef broth to use in your kitchen. For that recipe, what I will do, it's more like a beef Thai soup. You can create or a meal soup or just a small soup replacing any regular items if you want to bring some flavor to your daily option. You start with boiling water, add some ginger, garlic, hot pepper if ever you want some spicy note in it. The dry beef soup base. Red miso. And some tamari sauce. There's a few really good reduced sodium tamari sauce in the market, so feel free to use a tamari sauce to bring more flavor of tamari instead of adding too much shell to your recipe. So then you let boil for about 15 minutes and you strain that broth to use it on your soups. So 20 minutes later, you taste your broth to make sure that you like what you will serve. As usual, you strain it. There we go. And what I will do, I will just use some cooked noodle with bok choy, carrot, adding some cooked beef, pour your broth over. There we go. And you can easily add some green onion, some coriander, really as you wish to bring more flavor. And again, that's an easy way to bring a lot of flavor without adding too much shell to your soups. So instead of regular mashed potatoes, what I will do today, I will just bring a little signature and also more flavor to your plate. You can use regular cooked potatoes, add some caramelized onion, just a little bit, some sliced roast beef or any other type of cooked meat. I will use sour cream instead of butter. There's option with less fat, and it's of course, it's not the best thing, but it's better than butter or any margarine. I will use the beef broth instead of any other milk. And I will use the dry beef base just to bring some flavor, replacing the salt in it. So that's a nice way, again, to just create a nice beefy mashed potato signature for your sides instead of using just regular potatoes. And this will create something with more flavor and also healthier options for your people. So for that recipe, instead of using just regular sour cream for pierogies, I will just add some beef soup base into any of your sour cream. And you can do the same with mayonnaise or yogurt. So as you can see, again, it's really easy to create a nice creamy texture and everything will dissolve in it. For your plate, you can use, again, some roast beef. A few pierogies. You can add a little bit of sour cream and keep some on the side for those people who want a little bit more. But again, it's just to show you how easy it is to combine the powder with any sour cream or any mayonnaise. So in that recipe, I will do a Philly steak. I'm pretty sure y'all do have your recipe, but I'm just sharing some ideas using the beef soup base. So of course, you just warm up a pan using some mushroom, onions, with the beef broth, liquid. You include your beef in it. A touch of Worcestershire sauce, this one, yes. And you let everything cook together. Again, using the beef soup base LUDA H, because it's sodium reduced, it's a nice way to bring some flavor, not only the salt, but really more the beefy flavor. So you will let everything boil together. During that time, you can just grill a piece of bread with some cheese on it. I'm using provolone, but you can use mozzarella cheese if you want. So a few minutes later, soon as everything is cooked, you're ready to go. Salad or lettuce. Can also add a touch of mayonnaise using the same beef soup base and some sweet pepper bell just to bring some color to your plate. Again, it's a nice way, it's easy to use, and it's always good comfort food sandwich.